All right, we have some water damage on an interior wall of the house remodel. So we don't know what we'll find when we cut a hole into this wall. But what we do know is that this little saw can handle it. The HART one-handed reciprocating saw.
When cutting into a wall, know what's inside it and cut power off at the breaker. Since this could be a leak, I'm also shutting off water and bleeding the lines.
Now, if there's not too much damage inside the wall, we may just need a drywall patch. So what we're looking for is a nice, clean, square cut that's easy to patch. What you want to do is put the pivoting shoe right up against the wall as you start to cut. You see that? Brushless tools. We've talked about this in other videos. With brushless tools, every screw, drill, cut goes faster. With more power and longer runtime, you get the job done faster. And it'll even work great on trees and shrubs that a chainsaw might be overkill for. Like this one that's blocking my way to the crawl space door. So we found the culprit, a leaky joint in a supply line. Gotta cut it out to fix it, but it's right next to another supply line. So we need to feather the variable speed trigger as we go to avoid blasting through and gouging the good pipe. All right, now it's time to remove some of these damaged studs by cutting through the nails that are holding it in the top and bottom plate. In order to cut through this old vent pipe, let's armor up with a HART carbide metal cutting blade. With this blade, this saw becomes a monster, and it eats metal for breakfast. It can handle cutting through this out-of-commission galvanized pipe.
Check out my brushless jigsaw video to see more of the process as we give this water-damaged wall an upgrade into an accent wall.
This battery powers all HART 20-volt tools. Emergency home repairs don't just happen 9 to 5. That's why it's great that the place you get these HART tools is open all the time, only at Walmart.